2, 1. Hey guys, it's me Winter. Now we're going to make bundaga. Yay.
No, today we are eating Japanese snack.
Look,
Wow.
looks like ice cream.
This is a popular ice cream shaped snack. It's not ice cream, but it looks like ice cream. This is called Caprico.
Okay,
Minato, this is called Caprico.
Okay, and this?
It's a strawberry flavor.
This one?
This one, it's a Onigiri Seibei. Onigiri Onigiri rice cracker.
Everyone, you will open this. Yay! Let's open ice cream.
No, this one no need to use the scissors, Minato.
Why? Oh! Okay. Ready, set. Oh! Ready, set, go. Ooh, I find something. Knife?
Can.
Look what just happened.
Oh no, it was broken inside. But it's nice. It's ice cream shaped snack. It's really yummy. You like? It tastes what?
No, but the biscuit tastes like I'm thinking one is chocolate.
Really?
This one is strawberry.
Is it mixed? I don't think. Oh yeah. Inside got a little bit chocolate. You like it? So now let's open this one.
Okay, everyone, I'm cutting. Oh my god. Oh wait, I'm gonna pause and see.
Wow, the onigiri senbei.
Try.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try.
Thank you.
Really
Oh, it looks
yummy.
like this onigiri
It's
shape.
really yummy.
Yeah. So yummy.
So yummy.
I love it.
I love it.
Look down. Yeah, it says soya sauce flavor.
Turn the bell and subscribe my video. Bye. And like. And comment. And turn the bell and subscribe my video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.